Hi guys, welcome back to this video and let's prepare some meatballs. So let's start with the ingredients. Heat some oil in a pan or cooking pot. Add the meatballs and cook till they are slightly ready. Transfer them to a plate and you're going to use the same pot. Add your onions and let them cook. Add your spices, and I used that's thyme, followed by salt and paprika, followed by the blended tomatoes and carrots. You can decide to use whole or chopped, and I prefer to have them blended, and then that's tomato paste, and let it cook. Add your meatballs, followed by coconut cream. Stir and let it cook till ready. Add coriander and serve. We had our meatballs with turmeric rice and we really enjoyed this. So feel free to use rice. You can even serve it with pasta, and thanks for watching.